pressure is on 2 or 3. Alright, see what happens. Oil goes down the slow, not on me. Take out 5 thou. 1 thou. Two tenths not around the taper. Not around is pretty good. Taper a little bit enough. We're working on that. Banging on the side of the thing. 12. Maybe 13. 12 there. 13 there. Hard to get good help. Can't hold a 10. What's up with that? Harley can't hold 8 tenths. Where else now? I think Ultimates are about 6 tenths for half a thou. They were better. Harley was the worst. When you could actually buy pulse Harley. Eight to 9. Yep. Look at that down everywhere. I don't know why they can't pull with the squat. I got old crappy equipment, I can do it. 1950s home, 70s manual. Old crappy oil they don't use no more. That's probably improvement. Not EPA compliant.
Uh-oh. Don't say that out loud.
It's got sulfur in it, I can't have that. Probably got lead in it too, but the other shit that makes it work with. 6 or 7 there. Yeah, about 6 or 7. 6.5 whatever. Still got a thou to go yet. gonna switch to a finer stone here after you go closer. Pretty close now. Nope. I don't want to cut anything more. Still half over. You cut 2/10 will that work. Slow down its cut. Maybe it knows I'm getting close, so it's slowing down.
You slow down the motion when you get closer. Is that what you're saying?
She ain't quite cutting so much, just slowed way down. Look how quick they took off the plow and the plow. I mean, one plow was taking forever. That's only 3. I'm gonna cut 2/10. Look at that. 1/10 there. Quit cutting. Bastard. Goes too far. Deglaze it. Get it glazed up. Now watch it cut us out. Screw me all up. We got 7 to 8 turns to go right now. Cut the power. Sound a little more aggressive. Hear the difference in cut a little bit. Nope. 2.5 to 3. Turn it down to 0. Zero. Zero to 1. 0 to 1. 1/10 forward. Alright, that's the way I want to be. See the 0?
Mm-hmm.
0, 0. Half a 0. 0. So it's half a tenth to 0. Half a tenth accuracy, 50 millionths. Probably close enough for you. You alright with 50 millionths?
I'm good with that.
You good with 50 millionths?
Yeah.
Just making sure. It's trying to get more accurate, but, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Quality control sucks around here. You only get what you get, you know. It's just, you know, employees just don't care anymore. So I brought the dirty rag. Get dirty. That was a core stone. This is an intermediate stone. That's the fine one over there. Sort of finished, but you can't see it. There's a tenth and a half out right there. More cutting pressure. Final stone needs a little bit more pressure. Bouncing around quite a bit on that stone. About half right there. 4 tenths maybe. 4 tenths. 4. Time for a stone swap. We got like 1/10 to go. Time for a change.
And it'll be quick, right?
I'm going to go a couple tenths over because we loosened up everything else.
Mm-hmm.
I'm shooting for 7 tenths. Besides, we got that floppy ass crank all over the place.
Yeah.
It's barely true at all. Might need extra clearance. That's how the race bikes are anyway. Alright, let's see what we got here. See the difference in the stone?
Yep.
This one does more polishing than cutting. Taper too, it puts a lot more on the outside than on the inside. Have to compensate. Stroke. There we go, about 7 right there, 6 right there, 6 right there, 6 right there. Now these ones do like to glaze up a lot. Glaze it. Or you just keep holding, nothing happens. 7.5 to 8 maybe. 7. 7. Oh, the whole tenth we took out.
Nice.
And you cool it by cleaning, it'll shrink at least a tenth. So we want 7, which we're at now, but we want 10.
Mm-hmm.
We have to give it another tenth. Stone's not cutting, it just makes heat and just grows it. Actually you're cutting, but you're not. And cool it, goes back down to where it was. No. Problem is you never know what it's doing for sure. So you cool it. Put some heat in there, we're at 9 right now. That's 9, so probably 8 on this side. Yep, 8 on this side. Or 1/10 out around. A solid tenth, not just half a tenth. We're not 50 minutes, we're 100 minutes out. Does that sound bad?
Don't sound bad.
1/10. It'll probably cool back to our 7. Okay, go clean this all up with Jack.